Yeah. I'm real tired of here, man. Fuck you tonight. Marco too much, bitch. Just get it.
Now you change
Gotta
the
be quick on your
mood.
feet, bitch. Gotta be quick on the drum, ho. If I pop a nigga today, bitch, never speak on what you saw, ho. If I got a chicken, shorty got a buddy, you know I got a call, bro. My niggas spit bulls in the streets, bitch. You niggas more like a dog show. You spent the brick in the week, bitch. I spent the brick in the mall, ho. That was the day, give a fuck what you say. I ain't come here to play, but I ball, ho. Why you say you pushing foreigns? Lame, I only see you pushing mall carts. My niggas shooters out here, bang. You niggas act more like Paul Blanc, that's a mall cop. You should don't stop. I stay on that green like a golf cart. I took off on niggas when they wasn't ready. You could say that was a false start. No flag on the plate. You in your bag when you broke. I'm in my bag every day. Fuck what you say. I go around you or through you. Don't make me none either way. I make it mine. I just been waiting in line and now they eased up. Stay on they mind with every line. I be on they mind like a new cut. She be like, Marco, you too much. She always liking my new stuff. Wanna ride on an FBG duck slide or something that's souped up. You better know it. And if I got it, I ain't gotta show it. If I'ma do it, I ain't gotta prove it. Niggas be lying, don't need more reposers. Niggas be doing too much in their music. Keep it 100. And niggas gon' feel it. When you already know that you are, you ain't gotta say it really. She be like, Marco, you too much. I don't know why you was not on. I am not mad or upset about it. I just let bygones be bygones. Gripping the ass like a python. Didn't wanna fuck me a model. Getting money by the bundle. Niggas that I hit the lotto.